Are you on the hunt for the perfect electric skateboard? Look no further. Here are the top places to buy your skate. First up, check out online retailers like Amazon and eBay. These websites have a vast selection of boards at competitive prices. Plus, you can read through customer reviews to get a better idea of the strengths and weaknesses of each board. Another great option is to go directly to the manufacturers. Brands like Boosted and Evolve have their own websites where you can browse their latest models and customize your board to your liking. And because you're buying straight from the source, you can rest assured that you're getting a genuine product. If you're someone who likes to see and touch what you're buying before you make a purchase, head to your local skate or surf shop. They'll often have a selection of electric skateboards to test drive, and the staff can provide valuable insights and recommendations. Finally, consider checking out forums and online communities. You can find like-minded skateboard enthusiasts who are selling their own boards or offering advice on which models to buy. That's it for our rundown of the top sources for buying your skate electric skateboard. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.